Morning, dear students. Hope you all must have watched all the videos of the human body and have understood the functions of different organs of our body. Now it's time to do the exercises and question answer which were given as your homework. So some exercises which were given as homework, I hope you all must have done, and I am going to discuss that one so that you can check it whether you are correct or not. So be ready with your pencil and science book and check whether you are correct or not. So first of all, you come page number 22. The first question is write numbers from 1 to 4 to show the correct order of their working during exhalation. During exhalation means this is the function of respiratory system. The first question is the diaphragm moves back to position. At the second number, lungs throw out air. Third number is air leaves the nose, and the fourth one is air moves from the lungs to the windpipe. You have to write it in the correct order. So what is the correct order? The first number will remain at the number 1 position. That means the diaphragm moves back to position. What happens when the diaphragm moves back to the position? Then lungs throw out air. Okay? And when the lungs throw out air, then what happens? Air moves from lungs to the windpipe. So number 4 will be in the third position. And when air moves from the lungs to the windpipe, then it comes to the nose and air leaves the nose. Okay? So this order let me explain through the diagram. Come see diagram I had given you during the explanation. According to your question I am explaining. According to your question, when the diaphragm's back to its position, that means when the diaphragm comes in this position, what happens? Lungs throw out air. From here lungs throw out air. Then third position, what will happen? Air moves from the lungs to the windpipe. This is windpipe, and at the end what will happen? It crosses here and air is out through the nose. Air leaves the nose, that means air is out from the nose. That is called exhalation. Got it everybody? Now another homework was page number 27, learning zone. Got it everybody? Yeah. Question is picture based question. Number 1, label the following in the given diagram. You all must have opened it. Number A, the part through which we breathe in air. Which part helps us to breathe in air? Obviously nose. And where is nose? Here is nose. See all, label here nose. Okay. Number B, a connecting tube between the nose and the lungs. So which is the connecting tube? Of course, windpipe is the connecting tube. And where is windpipe shown? Here is windpipe shown. The third is C number, the part that absorbs oxygen gas from the air. Which part absorbs oxygen from the air? Lungs. While explanation I had given you so nicely, I had made lungs and I had told you that in the lungs blood is there and this oxygen is absorbed by the blood in the lungs. Okay, I hope you all must have labeled it correctly. Now come to the another question, think and answer, which one also one of your homework. Number first, during a chest infection, doctor advises you to wear a face mask. Why? When you have chest infection, many of the children is having asthma, breathing problem. So what do? They are wearing mask. Okay. So why do they wear mask? Even many of the children, before going to the dust in the field, they use face mask. For what? Why doctor is advising? To protect them from the air pollution. Okay, because in the air so many harmful, air pollution means so many harmful pollutants are mixed, like smoke, like dust, chemicals. So to protect from them, doctor is advising to wear a face mask. Now second number, a child is suffering from cough. Which body part could be affected? Brain, lungs or kidney? Obviously the answer will be lungs, because suffering from cough is directly connected to the respiratory system, and respiratory system, what is there? Lungs is there. So lungs, if he is having cough, that means his lung will be affected. Now number 3, which organs help you to remember the answer in your examination? Your answer is brain, because brain only helps you to memorize the things. Function of brain, are you remembering? It helps us to memorizing the things, remembering the things. Brain only guides different organs to do the work. And do you remember I had told you to eat walnut every day? Because walnut is a brain boosting nut. When you eat walnut every day in your diet, your memory power will increase. Now, number 4 is, why do we have hair in our nose? Why do we have hair in our nose? To filter dust particles from air. Because in the air, dust particles are there, tiny, tiny germs are there that are filtered by the nose hair. If hair will not be there, all the dust and germs and all will enter into our lungs, and it will cause infection, and then many breathing problem you may get. So I hope you all must have written, you all must be correct. Now what is your homework? Your homework is to, all of you write your homework. You have 2 homeworks today. First homework is write discussed exercises in your copy. I had told you to do it. I did not tell you to write it in the notebook. Since you are sure that your answer is correct, you can write it down in your notebook. And the second homework is do the exercises part 1. All the exercises, choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks and match the following. All you have to do in the book itself with the pencil, so that when I discuss with you tomorrow the question answer and all, you will check whether you are correct or not. Okay, all the best.